Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Ford Taurus and this car have a problem. You can see engine oil soon. That warning light came. Today I will show you how you can reset this. Okay, first of all, press here information setup and reset. Okay, press information and reset to clear and press reset. Reset. See oil life 1%. So hold and reset button. And now see you oil life set to 100%. Okay, ignition off, start car. Perfect. Okay, now there is no warning light you can see here. Okay, thank you. As simple as that.